All right, here's a good question. Exponent rules. So if I have a 4 outside of the bracket, I need to apply that 4 to everything inside. So there's a 3, like that's 3 to the first. There's the p to the minus 2, the v cubed, and the s to the minus 4. So I can write it like as 3 to the, okay, this would be 1 times 4, so it's 4. And then p to the minus 2 times 4 would be a minus 8. And v cubed to the 4th, so that'd be v to the 12th. And then on the bottom, same thing. S to the minus 4 times 4 is a minus 16. And now I can simplify a little bit, like that 3 to the 4th. I can rewrite that as 3 times 3 times 3, or 81. And then anything with a negative exponent, that one and that one, I can move to the other side of the fraction line and make them positive. So I'm going to put the S one up to the top, make it positive 16. The V can stay right where it's at because it's already positive. But then that P to the minus 8, I can move to the bottom and make it a positive 8. And that's where I would finish the question. All right, hopefully that helps.